You done with the book? Ooh, ooh, little monkey loves to make noise. He thinks he is the loudest of all. Arm my finger. He thinks he is the loudest of all. He stresses. He thinks he is the loudest of all. He stressed the snake, but it's just a whisper. Monkey laughs and louder he calls. Okay.